Wig caps, lace frontal wig caps. I will show you the best and only cap to use for making your lace frontal wigs. Let me just tell you, I love this wig cap. It is my favorite cap for making wigs for all our clients. This cap is specially designed for making lace frontal wigs. This cap is so easy to use. We have made a guideline on the front where you should place your frontal. So it is beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about knowing exactly what to do. We have done it all for you. This is a tutorial that I made on how to sew your lace frontal on this wig cap. The video is very detailed and I give you step-by-step instructions on how to sew your lace frontal on the wig cap. You can click on the I button on the top right corner to see the full video, and I will also leave the link to this video in the description box below. Let me tell you the features of this lovely frontal cap. You can see how this frontal wig cap looks up close. The line you see at the front is the guideline I mentioned earlier. Also, the extra lace at the front after your frontal is fitted will be cut off. So don't worry about the extra lace because you are going to cut it off after you fitted your frontal on. You have adjustable clips to fit your head shape. Our frontal wig caps come in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. Now, we sold out of the medium, so I can only show you small and large, but we have placed some more orders in for the medium size. The adjustable straps on these caps have 6 insertable slots, making this cap a perfect fit for your head size. You can get yours on our website. I'll leave the link below in the description box. As you can see, this cap is stretchy, breathable, perfect fit for any head shape. This is me making a lace frontal wig using our wig cap. Good news, I will be back to making many more tutorials for you. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on all my upcoming videos. You can watch the full video of how I made this wig by clicking on the I button on the top right corner, and I would also leave the link for you below. I will tell you a secret on how to get lace frontal wig cheap and save your hard-earned money. Buy the lace frontal wig cap, the lace frontal, and 2 bundles of hair. Yes, you heard it right. You can make a full head with only 2 bundles of hair and a frontal using this wig cap. Then you watch my detailed wig making tutorial and make your own wig. That's it. It's that simple. That's the secret. You save money and you look gorgeous at the same time. If you have no time to make your own wig like many of our clients, and you want it right now, ready to go, you can purchase beautiful, customized, ready-to-wear wigs like these on our website. Click on the link you see. I am making a series on wig caps for you, including braided wig cap, frontal wig cap, which you are currently watching, spandex wig cap, and close your wig cap. I will see you in my next video.